going to review plum, mandarin and vitamin C serum.
Welcome to our channel Life Addictions. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon.
This bottle is of 20 ml which costs rupees 550. The MRP is 550 but I got it for 495 rupees. It is also available in 30 ml bottle which costs around 790 rupees. Because I bought it with another plum product, they gave me a free mattifying moisturizer with it as it was in offer. First, let's talk about its packaging. It comes in this white cardboard box on which the full ingredient list is mentioned. So I love the fact that they have mentioned all their ingredients list. So Plum always mentions their full ingredients list on their packaging. I'm really excited about this product as the ingredients in it are awesome. So on this packaging the full ingredient list is mentioned, how to use is mentioned, and there are several things which are mentioned on here, and it is vegan, cruelty free, toxic free. It says no parabens, no phthalates, no SLS, etc. So when we open this box, we can find a FAQ list here inside it, in which all the frequently asked questions are answered. The key ingredients present in it are ethyl ascorbic acid, Japanese mandarin and kakadu plum. There are other questions which are answered. I'm going to show it to you right now so you can read all the questions and answers if you are interested. So the vitamin C come in this dark amber glass bottle. The bottle is quite thick and the dropper is also really nice. The bottle is of good quality and there is a seal here as well. So I really like the packaging a lot. The vitamin C is so affordable, yet the packaging is so awesome. Don't mind me sweating here because I can't switch on the fan and my window is open, so I can't switch on the AC as well. So this is not my usual setup. I do not have the ring light with me right now because I am traveling because of the COVID situation. So anyways, so it mentions mandarin orange and kakadu plum as its key ingredients. It has got mandarin peel extract which is supposed to increase collagen and is a great source of vitamin C. Kakadu plum is also great. It is rich source of vitamin C. It reduces wrinkles and fine lines and also improves collagen. Now the form of vitamin C it has is ethyl ascorbic acid. It is much more stable and is gentler than ascorbic acid. The problem with vitamin C is that it is very unstable, but this form of vitamin C is quite stable. It is much more gentler. But if you have very sensitive and dry skin and haven't used any vitamin C serum which has got 10% vitamin C in it or higher, please do a patch test before using this product. Now I love the fact that it hasn't got any fragrance or essential oils. Even the Clear's vitamin C serum has got essential oils in it, and it might not suit few people especially who have very sensitive skin or dry skin. I have been looking for vitamin C serum which is light and has no fragrance and is also affordable since ages, and I am really grateful to Plum that they have come up with this product. The consistency of it is really light. It is like a bit heavier than water. It leaves a very slight sticky feeling which is not at all bothering. It shouldn't bother anyone and it goes away soon. The smell is of like orange peel. You cannot find any harsh chemical smell from it. Now in their FAQ list they have mentioned that people need to use it for 4 to 6 weeks to see visible results. Now I will use this for about 4 weeks and I'm going to update you guys, so please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Now vitamin C, as we all know, protects against the sun. It lightens the skin tone, lightens hypopigmentation and dark spots. It promotes collagen, diminishes fine lines and wrinkles. Now I have used this serum for 2 days. I haven't seen any rashes or any irritation on my skin. It was very light on my skin, and I need to wait longer to see any result on my skin.
To use this serum or any other vitamin C serum, clean your face properly, pat dry your face. Do not remove all the water from your face as vitamins absorb better on wet skin. Take few drops of it and pat it on your face. Wait for a minute before you go ahead with your further skincare routine, as vitamin C needs acidic pH to work. Give it some time and then use your moisturizer if it's night. If it's day, then follow up with a sunscreen. You can use vitamin C in the morning as well, as it reduces the harsh effect of UV rays, but always follow up with your sunscreen. I am loving this serum till now. It might become my most favorite vitamin C serum as it hasn't got any ingredient that I don't like.
So this was my review on this serum. Hope you liked my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Stay happy and keep glowing always.